Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Alright, I'll be teaching you how they got this beading pattern on this turban. Disclaimer, please, this is not my work. A subscriber sent this turban design and pleaded I explain how they got this design, okay? Please, don't mind my voice. I lost my voice, yes, but I said this tutorial must hold. This is size 6 crystal bead, but this is the plastic one. You can get the breakable one, the normal shiny one, okay? And this is size 2 sand bead, and I'll be using it for this design. All right, first of all, I'll be using my needle. This is the size 9 needle, and I've inserted my thread, okay? You can use your fishing line, but I decided to use thread here. All right, so first thing you should do is to knot your thread and insert it this way. After inserting it this way, still lock it this way. You can see what I'm doing, okay? Just pass it through like this and pass your thread on top of your needle. Then this will help to hold any bead that will pass through here, not to fall off. All right, so first of all, you pick up your crystal bead. Then I'll pick up the sand bead, just one. You can see what I'm doing, okay? Please avoid any background noise, please. All right, so I will shift the sand bead. That's what I'm doing. Just shift the sand bead, then pass your needle through that crystal bead. You can see what I just did. Just shift that sand bead, pass your needle through the crystal bead and drag down. Okay, just drag it down. All right, once you drag it down, this is the design, guys. This is easy. Yeah, it's easy. I will repeat this process again. Pass your needle from your material this way, then pick up one crystal bead, then pick up one sand bead. Remember I said this is size 2 sand bead, size 2. Then drag it down this way. Then when you reach down there, just shift that sand bead and pass your needle through the crystal bead. Take it through that same spot, you understand, where you brought it out, and drag down. That is it, guys. This is very easy. Let me remind you guys, if you have not joined our WhatsApp group and you are a subscriber on this YouTube, you are missing a lot. Join my WhatsApp group. The link is already on the description box. If you want to join, you can chat me up on this WhatsApp number on your screen and I'll add you up to the group, okay? There's a training going on. We call it Get a Hand Skill, GAHS. Yes, that Get a Hand Skill is a 1-month challenge which will be starting this April. If you've not joined us, kindly do so. If you want to learn how to start this business from beginning to end, like from scratch, at the comfort of your home, I would advise you to join now. This kind of tutorial might not come up again, or this kind of training, 1-month challenge might not come up again. I might not have time to teach it again. So guys, this is how I got this design. You can see the way it is. So what you will do is, if you want to bead it on this turban the way you're saying it, bring your hand close, you understand? Bead close to each other. Don't give too much gap. And that is just it. So guys, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you guys in my next video.